Welcome to my Get Ready With Me. We'll be talking about how my mom set me up in online dating. Enjoy. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good day. Well, today is Sunday for me. I'll probably upload this sometimes a week. Yeah, but hope you had a good weekend, rested well, and now you're back to reality. Well, you can sit back and watch this, probably watch this after work or school, and sit back, relax, and probably listen to me rant on some ish, hey? So today I'm gonna do my makeup and we'll probably talk about online dating. Online dating. Yeah, that's like, when you're in your prime age and you're like, why don't I have anyone in my life? That's real-ish. Some real-ish to think about. Maybelline Fit Me. The color I use is Warm Coconut. That's the color I use. And I'm gonna use my foundation brush. I already got some on there. Okay, so online dating. Guys, comment below if you are currently online doing some online dating, or you probably met some people, and let me know in the comments how that went for you. So okay, for me personally, I don't like online dating. Ask me why. I'm the most socially awkward person you'll ever come across. It's really bad. I'm socially awkward, guys. Like, it's really bad. So for me to even meet up with a person, it's just awkward for me. How is it going for me personally? Social media is not, online dating is not for me. I'm not the person for it, but I'm willing to give it a chance. Maybe love is out there for me somewhere. My Prince Charming is way out for me. I'm so sarcastic about it because I just don't know how I feel about it. Goes pretty well for some people. People find love on there. People find like their future spouses. People find the one. Not for me, honey. Not here. I don't know, maybe not yet, but for me, no, it's not the case. So yeah, guys, I don't know what to say. Hey, this online dating, guys, it's not for me. Shame. It really isn't for me. Okay, so let me tell you one experience I had also that gives me a traumatic experience also. So I met this person on this app. Okay, so this one, I'll say the name, Muzmatch. If you people are using Muzmatch and you're Muslim, don't do it. There are freaking weird people on there. People say they are Muslim and they are on the straight path. Yeah, don't do it. You are setting yourself for a trap. Just saying. Anywho, met this person. His name on the app was A or something like that. Don't know why I matched him, but I did. So we talking. I'm gonna use LA Girl concealer. What color is this? Toffee under my eyes. Start chatting on the app. He never asked for my number or anything else yet, but we're chatting, and he was a nice person. We had like a really good convo. It was pretty sweet, I should say, right? So we chatted for like almost 2.5 weeks on the app. Almost, actually more, like a month, I should say. Chatted on there for like a month or so. Chatted, Uh, it was really nice. And then I started to realize guys grew an affection towards me. Anyway, I didn't have feelings for him yet. I don't grow an attachment real quick to a person. So this person, I can't even say it myself because it's just weird. I don't know how people grow attachments onto a person real quick, but the guy did. So he tells me that he loves me and he wants to be with me, and I said, oh, so sweet, like he wants to be with me. I was like, okay, maybe I'm just weird, but no, I was not looking for that. Someone just to show affection immediately like that. No, I don't want that. Person was okay. What bugged me off is I'd ask questions, wanted to know. I felt like this guy was very shady. So I think this person was married, number one. Number two, I think he just wanted. So there's some guys that have this fetish thing towards black women, and I think he was one of them, which irritated me even more. And then while we chat, he would say things like, I wish you were sleeping next to me, and like he was getting really seductive. I just found it weird in the process. It was just so seductive. I don't want to mention things he said. It was pretty intense, and I was like, you know what, I'm done. Told the nigga, sorry for swearing, told him, you know what, boo, it's not gonna work. Guys, now that I'm 25, I know there's gonna be a pressure in my life when someone in the family is gonna ask me, when are you getting married? Do you not have a potential? So wait, okay, so I have a story. So one day, my mother, this was 2-3 years back, actually, yeah, 2 years back. My mom has this friend of hers, this really close friend of hers, right? And she, after work, I come back home super tired, and then my mom comes to me. I'm in my room laying on my bed. She comes to me and she's like, so she calls me Fa or Faye sometimes, and she's like, someone is gonna message you just now. So I'm like, who's that? Who is it that's gonna message me? And why are you giving people my number? She's like, no, just it's this auntie's son. He wants to talk to you. So I'm like, okay, what does he want to talk to me about? Just curious. And she's like, no, just talk to him and see how it goes. I'm like, what do you mean, see how it goes? She's like, you do need someone in your life at some point, don't you? Excuse me? What, mother? So I was like, no. Ma, you don't give my number to people without asking. Even if your friend was like, I have a son and I think he's interested in your daughter, please give me his number, please give me her number. What do you do first as a person? Ask. Let me ask my daughter first if she'd be interested or if she'd be fine with me giving her number, right? Don't people do that? That's my mama. My mother gives my number to her friend. Her friend, no, it doesn't stop with the number. She sends my picture. Okay, sends it to her friend, and the friend sends it to her son. Son messages me on WhatsApp. Hi there, gorgeous. I can't be rude. It was really sweet though. Someone called me gorgeous. I thanked him. I greeted him. He spoke. I can't be rude about it. It's not his fault, right? Yo, when I tell you this guy's boring as F, guys, the person talks to you after a while, even though he's working, but no guys, this guy was boring. Ask my friend. I could not. We can't have two boring people. It doesn't work. Do you know what I mean? I'm very socially awkward. I don't know how to start a conversation. Okay, I know how to start off a conversation, but I'll go with the flow. At some point, my convo dies. So I need someone that knows how to carry on that convo. Do you know what I mean? That person, no, it was not the case, but hey, kept forcing. So my mom would ask me every time, so how is it with your boyfriend? Oh my god, boyfriend all of a sudden. No. So I was like, you know what, mom? I'm gonna be honest with you. This is not the one. He's not the one, Shane. NYX lingerie. The color is called Lippy 12. Let's go over with that. Not a lot because it's quite pink. And then I go over with the Body Shop lip liquid. No, but the Body Shop matte lip liquid. The color is Windsor Rose 032. That's what it looks like. Yeah. So this, I'm just gonna go middle of my lips. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back soon for more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll leave all my social media down below. Bye.